How to set a primary and secondary phone. When two or more paired phones are within range, the phone set as the primary will automatically connect first. To set a phone as the primary connection, first ensure the phone is already paired and switched on. Next, tap Settings on the display and then select System. Select Phones to view all of the connections. Then select the information icon next to the desired phone. This shows you the phone settings menu. Finally, select the First to Connect option to set this phone as the primary phone connection. A secondary phone can also be enabled by using the same method but selecting Secondary Phone rather than First to Connect. This means the phone will be paired simultaneously with the primary phone, however it can only receive incoming calls. By default, the secondary phone will not have access to the address book or be able to make outgoing calls using hands-free.